Today we're going to go over articles, so let's scroll down on the left to articles. There's a little paintbrush icon, and just click articles. We briefly touched on this in ads yesterday. This is all the articles that are in your site. Right now, by default, it's only going to show you the last 90 days worth of articles. Otherwise, it would take forever to load once your archive is built up. So if you could scroll back up to the top, I want to point out a very useful option. Up in the top right corner, you'll see a little drop down that says Screen Options. You can check or uncheck any of these. Normally, I uncheck comments, tags if you're not going to use tags, and access, because everything's going to be free access anyway. And then instead of having only 20 articles to a page, I usually put mine about 200, so I don't have to flip through a bunch of pages to look, find what I'm looking for. And click apply. And see how that cleans up your page? Your titles stretch a little further and you don't have things so squished. Okay, yeah. That Screen Options is available on almost every page on your dashboard. You can be selective to what your screen is showing. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if you're ever looking for an article, you'll see a bunch of drop down, or each across the top, you'll see a bunch of drop downs, all dates, all categories, all authors, and so on.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. As long as you have some search criteria set here, whether it's just a category, you might want to choose just the front page category. Go ahead and select that, Jessica. Just pick a category.
Okay.
Okay. You can go over to where it says last 90 days and select all posts slow. The reason that slow warning is there is to let you know you need to have some criteria selected or it's going to take forever. There you have nothing for Dryden in the past however long. Okay, try news.
Oh, try news. Okay.
Just something more general.
Something more general. Okay. Let's try that one.
I don't know how much we have loaded into your site.
Okay. This maybe there should be something under this. There we go.
Okay.
Something.
So you have 3 articles all time on COVID. If you want to edit an article, hover over the article title, and that will reveal a bunch of options for you, okay? The edit is the classic editor. The block edit is our new block editor. We'll be having tutorials on that soon. Today, we're not going to go over that today because I am not super familiar with that yet. Okay? Also, there's a trash button. Click trash. Let's put this article in the trash. Don't anybody get nervous. Okay, see above where it says bulk actions? Now you have a trash category. Anytime an article has disappeared, you can't find it, you're scrambling around, and then you email me and say, I can't find this, where did it go? Check your trash. That trash acts as a vault for anything that you want to get rid of or you got rid of by mistake.
Okay.
So go ahead and open your trash. Oh, you are open.
It is open?
Yep, hover over that title and you'll see restore.
Ooh.
That can be a lifesaver someday. Guaranteed, it's going to happen. Okay, so just keep that little trash button in mind. This only works for articles. Remember, Dan, yesterday I told you that if you put an ad in the trash, it disappears in 3 days. Ads you want to put in an archive. But articles, you can rescue articles out of the trash.